Greetings to the respected viewers. We are batch 12. I am Samanvai and my teammate is Balakrishna. Now I'm going to explain about a mini project titled Voice Controlled Wheelchair using Arduino. The project is to develop an intelligent wheelchair control using Android phone for the movement of wheelchair based upon voice for the physically challenged persons. Components that are used in this project are Atmega 328 Arduino Uno microcontroller, L293D motor driver shield, HC05 Bluetooth module, a battery holder with 18650 battery cells of 3.7 volts each, a DC power jack, a switch, two capacitors of voltage rating 25 volts and capacitance 100 mu F, and below are the 7805 voltage regulators. These are wheels, BO motor wheels. This is a center wheel. And these are the DC motors. Now I'm going to brief about the description of each component used in this project, starting with the Arduino Uno microcontroller, which is a central unit of this project. The Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on Atmega 328. So basically, Arduino is the brain of the project, which is responsible for receiving the voice commands coming from HC05 Bluetooth module, processing them and sending the signals to the L293D motor driver shield. Next is the HC05 Bluetooth module. So its function is to receive the voice commands through the Android application and send those signals to the Arduino Uno microcontroller. The data received by the Bluetooth module from Android smartphone is fed as input to the controller. The controller acts accordingly on the DC motor of the wheelchair. The wheelchair in this project is made to move in all the four directions using the Android phone through voice commands. So the Bluetooth module is basically used for a wireless connection so that we can connect it through the Android application. Next, we have the L293D motor driver shield. So in this project, it is used to control the DC motors, enabling the wheelchair to move according to the commands given, which are forward, backward, left, right, and stop. Component is DC motor. DC motors provide the power which is needed to move the wheelchair. These BO motor wheels and the center wheel enables the wheelchair to move smoothly. Then we have this battery holder and 18650 cells, which is used to power the system, with each cell providing 3.7 volts. And then we have this DC power jack, which is used to allow for external power supply. Then this switch to turn the system on and off. Then we have 7805 voltage regulators. These are used to regulate the voltage to 5 volts for the Arduino and for other components. Then we have these capacitors of voltage rating 25 volts and 100 microfarad, which is used to filter the voltage and reduce the noise. So secure the Arduino Uno on the wheelchair frame and connect it to the L293D motor driver shield. Attach the DC BO motors to the motor driver shield. Connect the left motor to output terminals of output 1 and output 2 of L293D. Connect the right motor to output 3 and output 4 of L293D motor driver shield. Fix the wheels to the BO motors for movement. Mount the caster wheel at the front or rear of the wheelchair for stability and smooth turning. Connect the HC05 Bluetooth module to the Arduino Uno. Insert the 18650 cells into battery holder. Connect the battery holder to Arduino and motor driver for power. Use voltage regulators to ensure power voltage levels for the components. Example 5 volts for Arduino and Bluetooth module and 12 volts for the motors. After uploading the Arduino program, download and install Arduino Bluetooth Control app on the Android mobile. To set the voice commands in the app, go to Settings, Voice Commands Configuration, give the command and then the data to send according to the code. We have given 5 directions. Forward, backward, left, right, stop. So this is our project Voice Controlled Wheelchair using Arduino. Thank you for watching.